Hey y'all, it's Lakeisha. I am so happy to be here today in the Anna Lane Pattern Sew Along group, hosting the Tangerine Sew Along. If you don't know much about the Tangerine comes in adult and children's sizes. So whichever one you want to sew is perfectly fine. Grab your pattern and come sew along with me. For options, the Tangerine comes as a solid dress or a two-piece dress. And with the two-piece, you can sew with or without elastic in the waist. The dress also comes sleeveless with armbands. And then there is a short sleeve, a 3/4 sleeve, and a long sleeve option. So you're covered there, whichever option, sleeve option you want. Perfectly fine to choose your own. And then for the hem options, you have the standard hem and the scalloped hem. For this sew along, I'll actually be sewing also for the dress, I forgot, there is an A-line and a skater style. This skater style is my favorite. It just has a little more flare to the, like right around the hip area. So that's the option that I'll be sewing. I'll be sewing probably the short sleeve, maybe 3/4. That's like, I'll determine that at the last minute. With the scalloped hem and the skater style. And just to give you a quick rundown of how the sew along is going to work. I'm not doing a lot of videos. I don't like videos. I like watching them, but I don't like recording them myself. So this will be one of 2 videos that you get from me. I wanted to do a video for the introduction, and then I will be doing a video for the scalloped hem, because I just think that's a really intimidating looking finish to a dress, but I just want to show you that it is extremely easy to achieve, and I'm going to show you how in video. So as for the rundown, day 1, which is today, this video you're getting now is kicking it off. We're going to only focus on preparation. So buying, printing, assembling, cutting your pattern, and cutting out your fabric, and then that's it today. And then tomorrow we're going to get into the dress construction. So whether you're doing the 2-piece dress or the 1-piece dress or the solid dress, we're going to go ahead and sew that up tomorrow with the sleeve, add the sleeves, and then that's it. And then day 3 we're going to finish it up with our hemming, be it the scalloped hem or the straight hem, hemming the sleeves. And because the neck line on the Tangerine is self-binding, you're going to be hemming the neckline as well. So all of that will be on day 3. When I was arranging the sew along, for whatever reason, I chose 4 days, which doesn't make sense at all because this does not take 4 days to sew. So technically day 4 is the last day, but we'll really just use day 4 to share and for people to catch up, or if anyone joined in late, they can just use the extra time to participate. But I'm really happy to sew along with y'all this week. If you have any questions about the pattern, techniques, I'm not really good with troubleshooting machines, so don't ask me those questions. But if you have any questions, any concerns at all whatsoever, you can comment, send me a PM if you don't feel comfortable posting it underneath, and I'll get the answer for you, try to get you help. And that's really it. It'll be a fun week-ish, few days, and I really look forward to sewing with y'all and seeing what everyone comes up with in the end. Talk to y'all later. Bye.